Hey everyone, I'm Sam.
Hello viewers, I'm Nova. Welcome to our tutorial. Today we'll be diving into some exciting features and functions of Nova.
Thanks Nova. Why don't you give us a quick overview of what we're going to run through?
Certainly, Sam. In today's tutorial, we're going to cover a handful of key areas. 1. I'll provide an overview of what Nova is, including its purpose and core capabilities. 2. We'll explore the Nova interface, highlighting the main sections and how to navigate them effectively. 3. Cartridges and loadouts. I'll explain the concept of cartridges and loadouts, which are essential elements of Nova's customization and functionality.
Awesome. Couldn't have said it better myself, which is why I like working with you.
Thank you, Sam. I'm here to assist and enhance the workflow, so I'm glad to be a part of the team.
So welcome to the chat interface. Nova has built AI first, with chat as a core experience. Chat here isn't just for talking, it's for writing, journaling, and thinking, all partnered with AI. Starting a new conversation is easy. Just hit this little plus. Here's an example of kicking off a task. Okay, Nova, what are my top priorities at the moment? Here we're able to see Nova is able to access its past notes and then provide me a summary. This means that Nova can help manage your shared information just like you would.
Based on the current list of tasks and the ongoing projects within the Nova ecosystem, here's what I think could be shared priorities for both of us.
So when you want to revisit a past conversation, Nova makes it easy. Each discussion is neatly summarized and categorized, like chapters in a book. These summaries, managed by Nova's system, make each interaction its own ever-evolving document and knowledge thread. For instance, let's take a look at Ends of Time, which is a game I'm developing. Hey Nova, can you give me a summary of Ends of Time?
Ends of Time is a VR adventure game that weaves a story of time travel and...
Thanks Nova. Let's head back to our current conversation. Nova is made up of cartridges. Cartridges act like apps for your AR companion. Let's take a look at Nova. So these cartridges give Nova a range of abilities, from simple, like this prompt, that really just helps set Nova's tone and personality, to more advanced cartridges, like this summarization cartridge that captures and organizes Nova's access to all our previous conversations. So here, for example, the note that Nova was able to access to do is a note cartridge. And it's just a simple text document that lets Nova write and read notes. One more concept you need to understand is loadouts. So loadouts are essentially configurations of cartridges as well as document access. So one way you can think of it is being able to create different agents. For example, there's a core Nova loadout, a friendly introductory agent called Meet Nova. This is the Nova that you would have spoken to on your first visit. And a loadout for discussing culinary ideas that I like to call Maestro. Hey Maestro, can you have a look for some of the meals we've done in the past?
Here are some meals we've done in the past. Chicken with roasted vegetables.
Great, thanks Maestro. Now let's create a new loadout. Navigate to the end, select Add Loadout. We're presented with an empty workspace. So select Add Cartridge, and then let's start with adding a simple prompt. In the vein of Maestro, how about you are a health and wellness coach? So you can see here, these cartridges can be edited and adjusted, the title and the copy, just by clicking. Hey there.
Hello, how can I assist you with your health and wellness goals today?
Hey Nova, I'm nearly at the end of the tutorial. Can you just summarize what we've talked about over the past few months using just the conversation summaries that you've got as a reference.
Key developments included addressing mobile fixes, testing, troubleshooting, and expanding the use of Nova's cartridges and loadouts, advancing the onboarding process, and refining the UI/UX of the platform for better content display and analytics.
All right, everyone, thanks for watching.
We hope you found it informative and helpful. If you have any questions or want to explore more of Nova's capabilities, feel free to dive in and experience it for yourself.